victory. Brainwashed in school, unlearn your history. Every book written by somebody not like me. Matter of fact, their skin tone was similar to white tees. Now everybody's getting hypey, but hypey ain't never fed your kids or your wifey. Listen up. All you youngsters, this is us. You can't never get to college still trying to ride the yellow bus. It's like the gold rush. Kids now are settlers, spoiled by their parents so they never were competitors. I never been mad at Condoleezza, stolen credit cards used to try to con the visa. Now every day I'm praying to the Lord, man. I'm trapped in the belly of the beast hoping for abortion. Nah, I ain't never walked on water, but I swim in the living word and talk to the Father. Never won an Oscar, never won a Grammy, but I did succeed in taking care of my family. Take a seat if you say you can't stand me. Made it this far cause my vision and my planning. Underdog brother called me Eli Manning. The bill collector called and said, I'm outstanding. Do it for the Lord, y'all, you can't lose. If you do it for yourself, then use a fool. Forget Home Depot, use your tools. This game is called life, you better use your clues, yeah, come on. Forget the he say, she say. I like being challenged like a replay, he's great. I never trusted my money with Wachovia. Just tired, y'all, let the Lord watch over you. Went back to school, but my name ain't Ernest. You with the Lord or not, there's no learner's permit. Stay with your church, stop hopping like Herman. Fellowship after, stop acting like a hermit. Back to the basics, used to rock Asics. Now before I shop, I gotta consult my paycheck. Remember back when I used to stay with the Velcros. Hand-me-downs on, no shell toes, heck no. All I had was a backpack and that's that. Do-rag but no waves under where my hat's at. My father at work, wonder where the cash at. My mama at church with no purse to match hat. You think I'm lying, but that's fact. I remember Pop-Tarts was low, we was fighting for the last pack. Got stage fright, this your last act. Used to have to sleep in the bed with pea stains where my back's at. A poor family, we never had rituals. Kinda unhealthy but remain hospitable. Use small words cause we couldn't afford syllables. Learn to take it easy, stop being so literal. F always a criminal. I'm stealing your soul and filling it up with living water and giving it back to the Lord. When I die, the Lord's gonna stop and say, whoa, good job, faithful servant. Then He opens up the door. Thank you.